It's a 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is a talented multitasker with impressive fuel economy, thoughtful safety features, and powerful performance. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.